Okay, I think one more person more is in here. Let me see here. Um, I don't know who is this iPhone person actually. That's okay. Congratulations, Harjeet.
Thank you, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time, my dear. And how's everyone doing today? I see Daisy is also here. Nice. Good morning, Daisy. And Suman, I think
Hi,
you
good
must
morning.
join. I think. Good evening, Suman. And Payal is also here. Look at you. You passed the test. You want to join us.
Where is Payal? Payal, can you turn off your camera today?
Like, okay. You also want to say thanks to her now. I know. Yeah.
Yeah,
Anybody
thank
feel
you,
free
Payal.
if you want to turn on your camera, feel free. But if you really want to make it off, that's okay, right? So in this class, it's just the to say congratulations basically to Harjeet officially. So maybe I'll give a mic to Harjeet because she's the best person to tell you like how did she prep earlier,
No, no,
like
not
which
without
attempt,
you,
what
ma'am.
was it? So I'll give it to you, Harjeet, everything today. But I'm really, really happy when you called me this morning. Believe me, I only have few minutes for sure, everyone, and I know everyone is busy today as well. So this will be very quick session. If you have any questions related to your preparation, feel free to ask a doubts question for sure. But please remember, do not ask the exam paper questions or something because that's always confidential. Okay. So just a quick little bit reminder for everyone. But yeah, feel free to ask any other question if you have related to that. The only thing I want to say, Harjeet, if you want to tell everyone like what was your difference between before preparations, like in first 4 attempts, what exactly you did it, and what
Mhm.
was the different this time in your fifth attempt? Like how did you prepare?
Yeah.
So the other students they know what mistakes to avoid and what they exactly supposed to do to pass this test, right? So I'll give the mic to you. And if you have any questions for me in the meantime, then I'll jump in there. Okay, Harjeet, mic goes to you now.
Yeah, the first thing is that without you, I thought I did not pass. It's because of you, ma'am. Because your strategies is
It's because
very,
of your
very.
hard work, I would say
I
again.
know, but it's like you push me, and then you told me you're gonna do the hard work, and
Thank
then
you
the
so
God
much.
gives you back. Yeah, so it's because of you. All the credit goes to you, and then the main thing is that to prepare the NCLEX. It's content. You're gonna revise the content again. Ma'am told the Saunders book. Yeah, it's very good to learn everything from Saunders. So you guys, I just give like a idea like you just first you're gonna like read the Saunders 2 time, third time, and then you're gonna prepare like apply the Saunders book on the like question bank, Q bank. That's work. Because before that I just read the some things and then go to the Q bank and then do the questions. It doesn't work for me. Yeah, first you guys know the content, how to read, how to learn. Like ma'am told, like read all the options. like uh, First read the question and then read all the options, which like eliminate strategy work for me. After read like ma'am told, read Saunders book again and again.
Mhm.
That's very helpful.
So, Harjeet, I know this is a very common question, maybe by a lot of students. Do we have to read all the Sounders book back to back, like everything in there, all the pages?
Not all the pages, because you when I told you I don't have much time to read the Saunders book, you told me at least read the important things, green one, orange one, and just that's were very very important to read. So I read the Saunders book, only the important things.
And did you make any notes out of it?
Actually, I did not make any, but it's helpful to make the notes, because
Mhm.
I it's my fifth attempt and I already make the notes too much. At
Okay.
that time, I don't have time to.
And did you
Yeah.
read the Sounders book before, Harjeet, if you can remind me? I don't remember
No,
the
I
whole
did not read
conversations.
the Saunders book. Like I just
Mhm.
read like once, or not enough that exam wants.
So,
Yeah.
in your first, second, third, fourth attempt, what exactly happened? Like that makes you feel like the first four attempt, like you did not prepare very well at that
No,
time.
no, because
So what happened actually in
because
those first four attempt?
because on that time I just because I took the classes, and just I took classes, and
Mhm.
I just read them like
Mhm.
superficial things.
I just want
I
to tell
don't,
everybody she did not took classes from me, but
no, no,
what
not
her meant
from,
is she
yeah,
took the classes from somewhere from different coaching
yeah,
institute, and
yeah,
then
two
she
or
come to me in her fifth attempt. Just so you know, everyone. Okay.
yeah, I just find
Mm-hmm.
your page on the YouTube, and then
Mm-hmm.
you contact with you.
Mm-hmm.
And that time I don't know how to apply the strategies, because
Mm-hmm.
sometime we know content, and then we need to apply the strategies. The your
Mm-hmm.
strategies very very helpful after read content and then apply the strategies. It's
Mm-hmm.
very very helpful. Even if I don't know the in my one question I don't have any idea,
Is
like I
that
don't know
something
the
you apply in your real exam? Sorry, Harjeet.
yeah,
Like
yeah, real
strategies?
exam.
Okay.
Yeah, real exam, and I also practice on my Q bank with your
Okay.
strategies as well.
Okay.
And in my one of exam I don't know the the
Mm-hmm.
C's any idea, but you told how to
Mm-hmm.
eliminate and then select the
Find the
correct
answer.
option, yeah, find
Mm-hmm.
the answer, and that's totally helpful in the
I'm
SATA
glad it
question.
worked for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I in the SATA question, it's like I just choose those option very
Mm-hmm.
100% sure with that options. Not to play with the like you told, don't play if you don't have any idea. So I did not play with any other options. Just
Mm-hmm.
choose that one, which one I have
So which is the
100%.
mistake you think you did earlier, like in your first four attempts? Like in a one
It's
single line, if you want to say what was the biggest mistake in first four attempts?
it's like I just read the superficial things of, so I nobody told me how to like apply content on the Q banker.
That
I
was the
don't know
biggest
the
mistake. Okay.
strategies. Yeah, I don't know how to eliminate. I don't know how to choose the priority question. Nobody
Mm-hmm.
told me how to
Mm-hmm.
how it's work like. But
Mm-hmm.
when I contact with you, and then you told me every time in the question in the, yeah, WhatsApp group, it's very very helpful.
Mm-hmm.
So I told everybody like do your best, and then like every time active with the group. If
Mm-hmm.
anybody wanna like send the questions, try to find out and then give the answer, whatever, if it's wrong or right, but you gonna learn from there. I learn a lot from the WhatsApp group.
Thank you so much. A quick question on the screen I can see from Daces. So basically, Daces, in this RN exam, you got minimum 85 question, maximum 150. Computer can shut down anywhere between 85 to 150 once computer decide if you're pass or either you're fail. So they can ask you anywhere. And the exam is total for 5 hours, right? For the NCLEX RN. And for you, Harjeet, how many questions did you had this time yesterday in your exam?
Actually, I did not remember. It's my time out. I think it's 102 or 3, 4. It's like in, but
Yeah, I think I
it's up
remember
to
your WhatsApp
100.
message now. 103, I
Yeah.
think you said before.
Yeah, I
Done
don't
somewhere. And you run
yeah.
out of time too. That's when I
Yes,
remember
yes,
too.
yes,
Okay.
yes. I just focus because I helped from Payal,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just focus on the answer because I don't want to do in a
Mm-hmm.
hurry and then wrong the question.
Mm-hmm.
I spend some time on the question and read two time,
Mm-hmm.
three time, and then eliminate
Mm-hmm.
every question,
Yeah.
every option. I read two time, three
Ahmed
times.
has a question for you. Mention what we read from sounders. So I think she already answered this question earlier, Ahmed. She said, I don't know if you joined at the same time. So she said, only read what is important for sure.
Yes, yes. There is a
But
lot of
but I
things
think
in
Harjeet,
founder.
do you think if it's a first time test taker, someone, do you think they're supposed to read as much as they can
Yes,
if they
yes,
have
yes.
no plan to write on the exam right now?
Yes, yes. I read as much as
As much as
I,
possible.
yeah,
I always
I read
say.
like two time before
Mm-hmm.
I went for the test. I
Yeah,
doesn't
because
read much.
remember everyone, like in graduation time, you read like lot of books, right? But in this exam, you hardly have to read one book, right? Then why
Yeah,
not to read as much as you can, right?
because the exam in everywhere we
Yeah,
don't know the
yeah,
question
you
when
have
we
to read
read
a
the
lot.
exam, yeah,
Yeah.
in when
And I can see a
we
question now from Bola. It says, did you use any Q bank? Yeah, so she used the Q bank. Harjeet, which Q bank you used this time and which Q bank you used previously? But what do you think about the Q banks? How to use the Q banks?
yes, yes, the QBank, I used UWorld before, I used Archer, I used Lipin code as well when I took the classes from somewhere, but it doesn't work. I told like it doesn't work till you know the content.
Mm-hmm.
It only base I now I use the boot camp. It's very very helpful because it's the very very important things in the boot camp, and the cheat sheets are very good because I just read the cheat sheets 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You
Mm-hmm.
told me just to revise before 2 days my exam. Ma'am told me to revise everything. Then I revised 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, every like important things like contraindications, would be follow up everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you do the Q bank, first you know the content, it 2 times at least you read the Sonder books 2 times.
If you want to give 5 tips to everyone, how to pass this exam actually, any 5 tips from your side,
Ma'am,
personally,
it's
Baljeet.
from you. I applied your tips.
They want to hear from you today because you passed this test, right? So yeah, so
Yeah, just
let's see
first,
what tips you think you want to give it to everyone.
yeah, it's first off, you know the content. You
Mm-hmm.
read the Saunders book at least 2 or 3 times, not one time. I said two
Mm-hmm.
or three times read the content and try to differentiate. And the second tip is that when you do the Q bank,
Mm-hmm.
just every you revise the like question, the wrong as well as the right answer, and to not read the like wrong option, read every option and relate with the yeah, I did this time relate with why this one, not why this one.
Mm-hmm.
And the third time I applied the elimination
Elimination
strategies.
strategy helps.
Yeah,
Okay.
it works a lot for me.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
then the fourth one is focus. The focus and confidence work together. If you
Very
have
good.
confidence and the focus on the question, like you gonna not read one time, you read 2 time, 3 time, and then apply the strategies. Why this answer not? Why this answer he have
Mm-hmm.
this answer?
Mm-hmm.
And the fifth one you told like SATA question, just go with your gut and then select those one you have like 100% sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wonderful. Thanks for sharing all these tips. Now I can see some questions here, which I want to address it quickly for everyone. If you don't mind, can you share the cheat sheet by Chanpreet? So Chanpreet, if you're already in the WhatsApp group, you will see everything into there. Regarding the Arshdeep, did you get the drug calculation question? So Arshdeep, we're not
No,
going to discuss the lot of questions in here, what she get in the
but
Rio
no ma'am,
paper.
no drug
But I always
calculation.
tell everything into the group also, everyone, like what is usually you supposed to study. But yes, case studies for sure everyone will get in the exam. It's a very rare chance that nobody get the case study and they still pass the
But
NCLEX. But you
I
should
think
get the
that
case studies for sure. And sorry, Harjeet, you're saying something here. I think I interrupt in between.
yeah ma'am, it's like I got the 5 to 6 case studies. I think
Mm-hmm.
the case studies very very helpful in the exam
Mm-hmm.
to like build our graph.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Because one time I we read the case studies very carefully, like a 2 time read, and
Mm-hmm.
then the other questions are related to case studies,
Yeah.
and then it's very helpful for
Yeah,
me in the
and those
exam.
students who are asking me how many case studies, so it depends every person to person what attempt you're writing the test. So you always like you can do private message, call, or messages into the groups if you have question regarding this. But rough idea between 2 to 6 case studies in every paper.
Yes,
Now, someone question I can see. Can you explain about the Q bank and how do I obtain the book? So this answers basis as I remember, you just joined my WhatsApp group. Slowly, you will learn into there. Put this question over there as well into WhatsApp. I'll explain you everything in detail as well. Okay. And regarding the question, make a video on case studies. So if you're already in WhatsApp group, Chanpreet, you will see my live class on case studies coming up on 19th. That's something I'm bringing up very soon for all of you. And which case study do you solve in your exam? It could be any topic, Ahmed. They're gonna give you any
yeah,
topic,
any
maternity, med
topic.
surg, mental health, anywhere case studies topic. So we cannot just focus on one topic and one subject in here. How long did you study before the test? That's a good question now. now. So how long you should study for your exam? So Harjeet, I think every time everyone call me and ask me this question. Ma'am, should I study only for 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, or 12
Oh,
hour? Like
it's
how
a per
many
day.
hours should we study for this test?
I studies like for 2 months and then 10 hours per day, 10 hours. I sit
Mm-hmm.
on 9 o'clock and then at 9 o'clock I like finish. So
As much as
it's up to every
and
student.
I
Some
don't know how
students,
did you handle that, Harjeet, but I remember that, and I really wanna say that I feel proud on you because I remember you have a little baby also, if
yes,
I'm not
yes, yes,
wrong. I think
yes,
it's about
ma'am.
7 to 8 months old is
No,
your baby, or
now,
1 year?
now he 1 year.
He's 1 year
Just
now,
just
right?
the 2nd of October.
Like with a 1 year old baby, she's studying at the same time and make the dream come true. So a lot of nurses, when they tell me like, ma'am, I have a kids, I don't think so I can pass the test. Let me tell you guys, with the kids, you can also do it. You just need a dedication,
Yes,
focus, discipline. Try your best to catch the time wherever you can to do study. You don't need a perfect timetable, perfect time schedule, a perfect study table in front of you to study for
no,
this
no,
test.
I don't
Wherever
have.
you can catch the time and you can read about any topic, any question as well, just do it. You just need a dedication for this test, believe me, right? Now, let's see if any other question is in here. Now, if anyone has any question other in here, you want to maybe unmute yourself or type into the chat, feel free. If you have any question to ask Harjeet, I don't have any question from my side, but if anyone has any question for her, please. Many, many congratulations. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anyone, any other doubt for Harjeet to ask regarding your preparation? Guys, this is opportunity because she is in your WhatsApp group. You can see she passed the test today, and this is her fifth attempt. I'm telling you, in
Yes,
first four attempt, she already said that whatever she work in first four attempt, that doesn't work with her. In her fifth attempt, the strategies she said worked the best for her to pass this test. But I can say at the very end, doesn't matter you're writing first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, or you repeat test taker wherever you are. Just remember everyone is different, right? But what the best can work with you, have a two resources always with you, one for the content, one for the Q bank. But you really need to know how to use the content, how
yes,
to use
yes,
the Q bank as well. Because if you're just opening up the books and just sitting on the table for 10 hours in a day and you are gaining
mhm,
nothing out of it, you're not even revising it, you're not even able to apply into the question, you're wasting your time, believe me,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
So I highly, highly recommend it. Like you should really know how to read, how to apply into the question. If any bouncer question come, what strategy to apply, how to
Yes.
still find out the answer. Because this exam is all about critical thinking skills. It's not like a bookish language they're usually looking for in there.
No,
So I
no.
highly, highly recommend to study in that way. Okay. And if you have more questions about your attempt, I always says in the WhatsApp, type the message for me. In a free time, I'll respond it back to you to your doubts. Those are new students here. They don't know much about maybe my WhatsApp group. Just so you know, I usually come 1 to 2 times in a day on the WhatsApp group every day until unless I'm very busy or I'm sick. As yesterday, I was sick and today I still sick a little bit. I apologize for my voice too, but I'm trying my best to recover myself. So basically, I respond back in there whenever I get some time in a day, but I still come for sure. And every person has an opportunity to ask me the doubts there. Don't feel shy to ask me questions there, okay? Ask as much as you want. Doesn't matter you're writing your test, soon you're writing maybe before, you are the new person, you don't know how to apply for eligibility, how to come forward. Like my goal is to make you guys an RN as soon as possible in your journey. Okay. So it doesn't matter which attempt do you have, always feel free to come forward in the WhatsApp group and ask me the questions. No private messages until unless it's a very urgent private message, something you want to ask, because I'm very behind some time to respond back to private messages. So just so you know, try your best to come forward into the group as much as you can. Okay. So that's all I want to say at the moment. I don't really have anything to add up in here. The only last thing I want to say today is like I feel so blessed today because I make pick someone to pass today in her fifth attempt, believe me. When
Thank you
she
so
called me
much,
this
ma'am.
morning, I was just having my cup of tea and she called me like, ma'am, I pass. I'm like, what? Did you make it? She said, yes, I make it. So we both cry over the phone for a while. We discuss about it, like how did it went. And definitely I feel so happy for her G today. Even for all of you, I will be very happy as well. This is my goal always for all of
Yes.
you. So try your best, everyone. Come forward, participate with me, study with me together. Sometime, if you don't know what to read, how to read, where to read, ask me any questions into the group wherever you can. Okay. So that's all about for this message, this meeting. And anyone has any question, any quick doubt for me before we go for this meeting?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Farzana?
How are you, ma'am? I'm very
I'm
glad.
good.
First
How
of
are
all,
you?
I'm
Yeah. Sorry, Farzana, I can't hear you. Can you say again?
ma'am. I am very glad to join your group. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm glad to have all of you there, actually. Believe me, a lot of nurses know me like everywhere before now as well. But now I think a lot of people, they know me in the worldwide a lot. So I just want to say thank you for joining me.
I think
Ma'am,
somebody.
I'm a registered nurse from Pakistan, and recently I joined, and I'm a beginner, and I don't know how to start and how to start my preparation. I
Yeah,
don't know how to
definitely.
start.
So what to do, Farzana? There is a WhatsApp group. The way you are with me right now, I highly, highly recommend it. Post these questions there for me, and I'll respond back to you in the free time. How to start the preparation? Why? Because this same question is, I'm pretty sure a lot of nurses has it. So definitely, if I respond there into the group, it can help a lot of nurses around the world, right? So feel free
Yes,
to ask me
kindly.
those doubts in there.
I'm confused. I have books of Sundars and
Mm-hmm.
also have a nursing book, but I don't know because the Sundars books are very detailing,
Yeah.
and which one
Yeah.
better for me?
Still Sounders. Doesn't
Sundars.
matter any attempt, everyone, you still have to do the Sounders book, right? And if you're struggling how to read the Sounders book, how to remember the Sounders book, everyone post your question into the group regarding this. As I said again, I will try my best to help you there to understand how to read, how to remember, what to read, how to apply. All these questions will be addressed there for sure. Okay, Farzana? So all these questions ask me everything into there into the group so I can address into there. So that's all about I think for these questions for now and for this meeting. Thanks for joining this session, everyone. I'll see you guys back again into the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you so much for everyone. And thanks, Arjit, for joining today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations once again.
It's because of you. You fulfill my dream. Thank
I
you so
still want
much,
to say it's
ma'am.
your hard work. So don't fight
Yeah,
back with
it's my
me.
hard work,
Okay.
but you give me the right path. I know
I
I did.
know.
Yeah, you give me
Yeah.
the right path. How
Thank
to?
you so
Yeah,
much. Yeah,
yeah.
for
Thank you,
trusting
ma'am.
me for sure. But yeah,
Thank
thanks
you,
so
ma'am.
much for participating, everyone. And thanks, Arjit.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
No
ma'am.
worries. Take care.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you, everyone. Bye
Bye.
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 Hey.